What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the new update for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, which I think so is the biggest update ever for this smartwatch, and it is about 670 megabyte in size. So let's see what features we are getting with this new update, and also I want to tell you guys that update at your own risk, because this update has a lot of bugs that we will discuss at the end of this video. So this is the changelog mentioned here. You can pause the video and check it out. Moving on to the first feature, we are getting all new wallpapers from S22 with this nice animation in the form of watch faces for Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. You have to just tap on it and now it will change its color and theme. Next we have some new watch faces added, like this one, which is called as Ball, and the other one is Samsung Global Goals. So you can try out these watch faces after downloading the update. Also, Samsung has added more customization options to existing watch faces like fonts, colors, themes and much more. Now you can also wear your watch on any wrist that you want. For that, Samsung has added a new setting which is called as orientation. You can use this setting on your Samsung Galaxy wearable application. For that, go to wearable app on your phone and here tap on tips. Now you will see this last option, just tap on it and now choose settings. Here you can select any orientation that you want for your smartwatch. Next, Samsung has added information on moisture loss and intake after an exercise. This basically is visible after a workout, and I was not able to see this option in Samsung Health. In the same way, Samsung has added interval training for running and cycling exercises. Also, they have added heart rate recovery information after an exercise. This will basically show you in how much time and how fast your heart rate recovers to its normal value. Option of workload has been added, which means you can see detailed information of your workout and percent of VO2 max. One useful feature has been added, like if you are cycling, the heart rate will be shown on your phone's big screen to make cycling a bit safe. Next, we have some small health related tips like personal goals for your body have been added, and personal tips on your body composition are now available too. Better sleep tracking with Sleep Coach is now available with this update that will give you better insight about your sleep. Bixby is now a bit better according to the changelog, but I still don't use it. According to Samsung, I have a good news for you guys that Google Assistant will be soon available on Galaxy Watch 4 in coming few months. In the loss, if you connect your phone and watch for the first time, all the apps which are available on your phone, and if it has a companion watch app, it will be automatically installed on your smartwatch, and you can always uninstall them just by going into settings and here tap on apps. So these were the all changes which are mentioned in the changelog. Now let's talk about the bugs. The first known bug with this update is related to daily activity tile. For a lot of people, this tile is not updating information. You can try to restart the watch, but it may solve this issue for a short time. Next issue is related to always on display mode on third-party watch faces like Watchmaker, where always on display mode does not turn off while using raise to wake feature, and it also has some dimming issues as well. In the same way, always on display mode is not updating the clock for a lot of people. Next bug is related to calendar complications which appear blank, and in the last touch to wake is not working in power saving mode. These are some of the known bugs, but there might be some others as well, like battery drain. So I would suggest you guys not to update right now, as Samsung will soon push out a new update for all these bugs. And also I'll try to keep you guys updated regarding any news of this matter. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.